Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to add some fastenings using calottes. Now these have got a small hole. I'll show you a photo. These have a little hole in the middle, and I'm going to do something a little bit different today. Let me tell you what I'm using. I've got this lovely rainbow thread. It's not stretchy, it's 0.6 millimeter, so I'm going to use some of that. Just going to use these beads today. Got my ruler, Lobster Clasp, 2 6mm jump rings, 2 calottes, and I've got a needle for when I make a knot. You'll see what I mean in a mo. So I'm going to measure 12 inches and we're going to go for a 7-inch bracelet today. All of these are available on my website, which I'll link below for you. I'm just going to take a needle just to get this threaded through. Just to get the clot through. So I'll just take that off. Now I'm just going to make a knot on the end. And I just use this so I can make the knot go pretty close to the end. That will stop the clot from falling off. So what we're going to do is, I'm just going to take the pliers, and what I've done is I've moved this to the side and I'm going to close together. Then I'm going to snip off the excess on there. Then we take the jump ring. I'm showing you this because some people have a hard time using the crimp beads. So this is just another way you can try. So I'm just going to thread that through and then attach the lobster clasp, then close. Can you see what we've got? So what I think I'm going to do, because this is fraying, I should have cut some off first of all, but it's no problem. Just going to thread that through. Grab some beads. Quickly thread some beads on the end.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
I do get asked quite a bit about people having trouble attaching. People find it hard when it comes to attaching the lobster clasp and crimp beads. So try this method and see how you get on. Just going to measure the bracelet. Remember to take into consideration the lobster clasp as well. So we're just going to take the other calotte, thread that on. Now what we need to do, I'm just going to remove the needle. Remember, we've got this needle here, and what I'm going to do is make a knot, just a normal knot, and then we're going to use, oh, it's magnetic, get off. We're just going to use the needle to bring the knot right down, so it actually fastens inside the calotte. But there's the knot inside, so we're just going to put this to the side, take our pliers again and close. I'm going to snip off the excess. Then we take the jump ring, thread it through and then close. That's another way when you want to add a lobster clasp. So those are calottes. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I have lots of tutorials available, ideal for the complete beginner. So thank you for watching, take care and happy crafting.